Hi everyone, this is Sam Craig the Heart, and today I'm here to share my Concord and 9th summer camp box. Here it is right here. The retreat is going to be in June. This is for 2023, and let's get into it. Okay, so got everything in here so you can see, but I'm going to take everything out so that we could go over it, and then I'll just put it back in as I do it. I did look at it, so it is not a surprise to me because I have already looked at it. Okay, so I'm going to start with, okay, maybe I won't start with that. Oh yeah, here we go. The paper pack. So we get all the papers that we need to make our stuff. We do have homework, which I have not done because I do not have time to do that right now. I'm in the middle of a big project. But so they have a lot of this fruit, which I am loving. So we've got the lemons, the oranges, and then we've got some more lemons. It's all single-sided. So these are the papers, and then we've got some solids. And there's going to be a focus on their new colors because they've got new inks that they've done. So let's back into this. Okay, so here are some of the things we've got. So here we have Summer Sprigs. Very similar to one that I've got from Pink Fresh Studio. So this, and they've got some cute sentiments. We have this one, which is called Inked Blossom Dies. So this should be fun. I don't know how that's going to work. I don't even know where the stamp sets are. Oh, here they are. Okay. So we have that. Okay, let me grab the stamp sets and see. This is Hugs and Stitches. Okay. This is the Tiny Terranium dies. Then we have Squeeze the Day. Happy Trails dies. And there's a Happy Trails stamp set. Here we go. Okay, let's do this again. So Squeeze the Day stamp set and die. And then the Happy Trails and the stamp set, which is more of a sentiment stamp set. Then there's Hugs and Stitches. Hugs and Stitches. So this is kind of fun. We'll have to see how that works. Hugs and Stitches. And then there is, I'm sure I've got everything here. Then there's this one, which is the Summer Sprigs Turnabout. Oh, that goes with this die. That goes with that. They gave us the jig. And then because I was at the scrapbook and cards, or the Crop and Create, I got a free gift sent to me with it. So I got this. Okay. And then we get these little mini envelopes. These are the ink colors that we get. So I think I have Buttercup and Tide Pool, maybe. I have to see. The other ones I don't have, I don't think. Then we get some enamel dots. Excuse me. Some ink brushes, which I'm excited about because every time I do these, we do get ink brushes, and then I get a nice little collection of them. There is, I'm bunking in the Juniper Cabin. It gives me, you know, what's included. I get a little sticker. We get thread, I guess, or whatever this is, to do the stitching. And this is my cabin die, which I'm excited about. It's this cute little cactus. So that's adorable. And we have some brads. We have some ribbon, some sequins. Oh, sorry. And then, oh, Happy Trails stamp set. What did I show you? Oh, this is the Tiny Terranium. Sorry. And this one is the Happy Trails. And that's some sequins. And then we've got a pin. And then we've got some twine. And then I got oh, this is cute. This is my welcome back gift because I've been at camp many times. So this came right out. And then we get a little, this is some kind of taffy that we got. And then we get our field guide that tells us what we need to cut out to be ready for camp. That way we can get all ready. And then we get an idea of the kinds of cards and things that we're going to be making. So that is Concord and Ninth. I really enjoy Concord and Ninth's, you know, summer camp. It's fun. I like the projects. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you guys know if this is something you might want to do in the future. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.